Regards to Rampiers, thanks a lot for this opportunity because I'm going to explain you what's the topic in order to present these slides. Okay, first to begin, the topic chosen is connectors. Connectors or conjunctions are words we use to join two or more sentences or two words in the same sentence. The grade is 6, the age between 6 until 14. Okay, the student has to click in order to go to the next slide. For example, if they click, they will find another slide, and the slide says the following: copulative connector. Okay, in each slide they will find the definition in this part, and then they're going to find some examples. For example, he played the guitar and sang wonderful songs. In this case, there are 4 examples, and the student has to click and press go, will go to the next slide. Okay, the following connector is disjunctive, then conditional connector, concessional connector, conclusive connector, and remember, the student always will find the definition in this part. Okay, here they will find this connector, the definition, and how they can use in the different circumstances. And again, this other examples, in this case 5 examples. Continuative connector, adversative connector, rounds connector, comparative connector, functional connector, and finally they will find an activities. Okay, these activities are very easy. Why? Because they only have to make sentences which each connector applied or learned during these slides or during this presentation. They have to interact between all of them, and then they have to create a dialogue with 2 partners, taking into account 7 connectors learned in this topic. Okay, according to the guide of this final work, this is the presentation, and I'm going to attach the link when the students can enter in order to develop this job. My name is Pedro Urrego. Thanks a lot for this opportunity, and I will wait to learn how to improve my language and improve and applying new technologies and tools in order to improve my knowledge about it. Thanks a lot for this opportunity, and goodbye.